Hi, it's Adam from WebStarts.com. In this video, I will show you how you can download a video from your website using WebStarts. I've logged into my WebStarts account and I'm on the dashboard. If you haven't already created a WebStarts account, go ahead and visit WebStarts.com and click the button on the home page that says Sign Up, It's Free. Of course, it's free to sign up, and you can use WebStarts as long as you want. It's not a trial. Once you're logged into your WebStarts account, you'll be caught up with where I am here. To begin editing your website, click on the Edit Site button that appears above the thumbnail of your website. Since we'll be dealing with video, the first thing you'll need to do is upload a video to your website. And I'm going to go ahead and click on the video icon and then click upload, and then the video that I want to upload I'm going to select from my computer, and then the uploading process begins. Now, uploading videos takes a little bit of time simply because they're generally large files. When you're uploading images and other things, a lot of the time those are just very small files, maybe just a few megabytes, but I believe this video that I'm uploading now is about 80 megabytes. So I'm just going to wait for this video to upload and put the video on pause until it's just about to the end, and then we'll proceed. Alright, our video is just about finished uploading. And once it's uploaded, something to keep in mind is that depending on your video format, it will need to be converted into a format that's compatible with the web. Now, we do all of that in the background at WebStarts, but then that process can also take a little bit of time. You can tell that that process is occurring when you see this spinning icon. That just means that we're encoding the video into a web compatible format in the background. So once again, you may want to go to another place on your website or check your email or whatever while this is happening. And again, the larger this video file is, the longer that process takes. Once the video is fully processed, you'll see a thumbnail that represents the video, just like what you see here. You can insert that video onto the page by clicking on it and then clicking Insert File. That will put it into a player that you can then drag and drop wherever you want to appear on your page. However, for this video demonstration, I just want to show you how you can download that video from your browser. Now that you've uploaded and processed the video, it's in the file manager. That's the place where all your files are stored in WebStarts. And you can link from anything on your website to the file manager. So I can link from a piece of text, for example, just the word website, by clicking on the hyperlink icon with the word selected. Or I can click on the button and click on the hyperlink icon there, or wherever I have that option in WebStarts. Once you click on the hyperlink icon, you'll see there are some places you can link to. You can link to your pages, another website, email, phone number, your files, an anchor, or an action. For this demonstration, we're going to be choosing a file because we're linking straight to a video file that we want to download. I'm going to check the box that says Open Link in a new tab, and then I'm going to select that video file from the file manager. So I click on it, I click Insert, and now when somebody clicks on this button, it's going to open up that file from my file manager. Click Create Link to finish the process, and then as always, don't forget to save and publish your changes in order to try them out on the live website. Click View Site to go to that live web page, and now when I click on the button, you can see it opens that video in its own browser tab. When you're ready to download that video, just right click on it and then choose the option to save video as, and then choose the location on your local computer where you would like to save the video. Now the video will take a few moments to download depending on your download speed, but once you do that, it should show up wherever you designated it to go on your local computer. That's it for today's lesson, and don't forget to visit WebStarts.com to create your very own free website where you can upload your videos. And don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel and enable notifications to be the first to find out when we release a new video. Thanks for watching.